Welcome back to Flow State. Gonna do a quick bucket farm update from the road in this noisy ass truck. Hopefully it comes through. Alright, so basically all of the bucket farm died. But I replanted, and we're on bucket farm round 2. So this morning before I left the house, fuck you, cub. This morning before I left the house, I set out the bucket farm to get some sun, and so we're gonna walk through this, take a little look at it, see how bucket farm round 2 is popping off. So here's my grill turned tomato planter. These are all little tiny tomatoes. I've been told I have too many tomatoes. I don't believe them. There's some onions in too shallow of a pot, but we're gonna go with it because what else are you gonna do? Over here I've got buckets of onions on the left and potatoes on the left, onions on the right. Down there, that little silver thing is radishes. There's radishes. They're probably gonna suck because I didn't thin them out enough. That's some beans that look like they're dying. And down there on the floor on the right is, that was Brussels sprouts. Okay, so here is the last tomato plant in a hanging bucket farm arrangement. I set it up, I bolted it to the inside in the rafters inside the garage. And I bolted it too good. The hook to the bolt I drilled into the cross beam of the ceiling. It's not really a hook so much as a mangle of twisted up wire coat hangers. And so it's not real functional as far as moving it out of the garage and into the sun, which is kind of a key feature of hanging buckets. So what you see here is sort of the way I had ghetto hung it in the front yard. You can see I've got it kind of anchored into a pipe with some rebar in it, being propped up on a little concrete bunny. It's got some rebar kind of going across the back of it so that if it tips, it's got a little bit of resistance on the base. And there's another white bucket on the front, so if it does go forward, that'll kind of catch it, hopefully prop it up until I get home or somebody can save it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the things. And I just noticed what shirt I'm wearing. Support my ISFP homie Chucky B's band, Persecution Complex, and his YouTube channel, Charles Benson. I'll have him drop a link in the comments below.